Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes fixed camera not working in Windows 11. First method is click Start, Settings, click Privacy and Security. Click Camera. Turn on camera access, also turn on let apps access your camera. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand camera, right-click camera, click Uninstall device, click Uninstall. Restart system. Third method is open any browser, type camera manufacturer name. Click Download. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.